Are you a retailer? Do you have a shop or an online business? Could you benefit by having more customers? See your customers every couple of weeks instead of just once or twice a year? If the answer is yes, we have a zero-cost method to help you increase sales and grow your business. Let me show you how we can help. Meet Susan. Susan owns her own business. She has a gift shop with a wonderful selection of products from around the world. The only problem is she sees her customers just once or twice a year. Susan discovered the Bombay Incense Company and placed her first order for 100 boxes of fair trade natural incenses. 3 days later, she received a beautiful wooden display that came with 100 boxes of incense, and what's this? 200 free samples. The samples are supplied free and are to be given away to everyone that comes into her store. Starting that morning, she gave away a single stick sample to anyone that walked into her shop. Even folks that were just looking received a free sample. Within 3 days, Susan had given away all the incense samples. In doing this simple exercise with incense samples, she noticed a curious thing started to happen. Some of the customers would accept her gift, smell the sample, and buy a box on the spot. Instant sales. Others would take the sample home, try it, experience it in their own space, then would return to her shop to buy a box. Boomerang sales. Susan found that for every 3 or 4 sample sticks she gave away would result in a new customer buying the product. So her 200 samples would turn into 50 buying customers that came back at least once a month to restock. Now when they came into her store, they don't just buy the incense, they end up spending more on other impulse buys. You can see how a $5 consumable incense product is the driving factor that caused the sale for the other impulse buys totaling $40, thus boosting her bottom line. Within 2 weeks, her incense display is empty and she restocks. And what does she get for free? That's right, another 200 samples. So the cycle continues. Susan's customer base is growing by the day. Her incense sales are fueling profits in other categories. As she continues to restock and receive more samples with every order, her customer base is expanding and her sales keep growing. You too can experience this zero cost of growing your sales. Take advantage of our special offer on our best-selling Nitaraj Platinum Incense line. This comes with 84 boxes of incense. Your cost, $2. Retails, $5 a box. Plus, you'll get 150 free samples to give away and a free wooden display. Your cost, only $168. That turns into $420 in retail sales. This product line comes with a 100% money-back guarantee. If after 6 months this product doesn't sell, we'll buy it back. We'll even pay for the shipping. There's zero risk on your part. You have absolutely nothing to lose. So order today, call 407-299-9815 or go to www.bombayincense.com. Start growing your business now.